3 points A comma B and C are on x comma y and z axis at a distance a and a respectively from the origin. 3 identical charges each plus q are kept at A, B and C. The magnitude of the electric force experienced by any one of the charge is. Generally, from Coulomb's inverse square law, the force F is equal to, we know expression 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q1 q2 by, this is r square. But as per the question, they said the 3 point charges or the identical charges each plus q are kept at A comma B comma C points which are on x comma y comma z axis at a distances A and A. So let us take the situation here. See, x, y, z axis are mutually perpendicular. This is origin. So at a distance A, suppose A point A, at a distance A point B, and at a distance A another point C is there. At the 3 points plus q charges are placed. So the magnitude of electric field experienced by any charge, suppose if you take this one, then here the net force acting, first of all net force acting, the net force is nothing but here from parallelogram law 2f cos theta by 2. So here it form an equilateral triangle. So this is the charge plus q, this is the charge plus q, and it is the charge plus q, and taking this an angle 60 degree. And if you take the force between these two, charges, this is F, and similarly force between these two charges, that become F. This is also F. This is also 60 degree. So the force on, say, some q1 charge, this is the resultant force, the net force. And here from parallelogram law, net force F dash or F net is equal to 2f cos theta by 2, and taking F net, which is equal to, this is a 2f cos, I said it is the equilateral triangle, angle is a 60, thereby net force on the charge 2f into cos 30 is the root 3 by 2, and here these and all cancel, this become root 3 f. But the force between any two charges, it is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q square by a square. Then the net force acting on the charge is equal to, this is the root 3 of 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into q square by a square. Now finally the net force, which is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into, this is the root 3 q square by a square. So the second option is the right option.